Hi guys, this is Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And I was only going to do one live today, but I got a box of my Chalk Couture goodies, so I'm excited to kind of show it off to you. Should be just a quick video. So to start out with, I got these pumpkins. They are 1-inch thick wood cutouts. And then they have, how cool is this? They have the patterns that fit right onto these. The bigger one and the smaller one. And you can do both sides. I think the only thing you have to do is wax these. And then you can chalk. Cool, right? I love that. And then they also have Christmas cutouts, trees, and a pattern that goes with it. Of course, you don't have to use just the pattern. If you have background transfers, you could put just about anything on here. I thought that was cool. All right, what else do we have here? I have one of their newer frames. This is the Odette frame. And I don't know what size that is. Let's see. Somewhere on here it should tell me the size. I guess I could measure it myself. 6 by 18. And this is reusable, so you can chalk on it, put it up, and then change your mind and change your decor and change the transfer on there. I love that. Another fuzzing cloth that works really well. And board erasers, which are wonderful, and they're very inexpensive. So every time I put an order, I put those in there. So we got that. And this is cool. I love getting different colors of paste. Let me show you, open this up. We have had shimmer inks before, which are good for fabrics. But we didn't have it in paste. So this time, they just started this where they have the shimmer paste. We have a shimmer red, we have a shimmer copper, which I think is this right here. Yeah, if you can see that color. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, what's the other shimmer one? We have a shimmer gold, and I said shimmer red, and then here's a shimmer silver. Pretty. Now these are 3 regular ones. This is a new color. It's just our just for the season. What a beautiful Christmas green. That's why I got it. That was cool. Teal. Look at that teal. Isn't that pretty? Well, is that what it's called? Tide. Sorry, tide color. And a pretty pink. I think it's mauve. Marvelous. It's kind of a muted pink. I like that. Now, the rest are all transfers. Let's see what I got. I forget. Farmhouse. I'm going to put this on this. Oh, I love this one. The reason I got this one is for this. Santa, I can explain. Like, that's so cute. But then they also have son of a nutcracker. And I got a, they have vintage truck and they have vintage tractor in the barn. I got all those and I love them. But now they have a vintage bug, or VW, which was my first car. So that shows you how vintage I am. Anyway, this goes on that. Like you can put these packages on top of the Volkswagen, on top of the car. Or you could do it separately with a tree and gifts underneath. Cool. I'm excited to try these. And okay, now the rest of these three are for backgrounds. And I was thinking of pillows too. Wouldn't these be cute? Here is your farmhouse check, but this is the mini. So that's cute. Could use that in a lot of things, including the trees and even the pumpkins. I like that. This I think is just adorable. For Christmas time, do it on a pillow. You do it reds, greens, whatever color you want. And I like this. It looks like stripes, but what you could do on a pillow or anywhere, ink it all one way, and then after it dries, turn it around, do it the other way, and you get a plaid. Cool, right? And then the last thing that I got was this script. And I think that's beautiful. So if we don't have a transfer or can't mix some transfers, you can always make a sign or whatever you want out of this font. And I love this. I think this is really pretty. It's got, of course, the capitals and the small ones. And it's got these registration marks so you can line them up really good. You could put the, I haven't done this yet, so I'm thinking you could put the alignment tape, put that on your surface and line this up with this and with these. So that's neat. When you line it up, it makes a circle. So fun, lots of fun going. So that's it. Just wanted to quick show you what I got. See you later. Bye.